Welcome to Family Food Tale. Family that eats together, stays together. Hello everybody and welcome to Family Food Tales. आज क्या बनाए? मेरे पास इतनी सारी इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं, तो सबसे पहले मैं मेरी गेस्ट को बुलाने वाली हूँ. So let's welcome Alyona Kapoor.
Hello. Hi. Good to see you.
Welcome to our set, to the Family Food Tales.
Thank you so much.
मेरी डॉटर रचिता और ये बचपन के फ्रेंड्स हैं. कितने साल से जानते हो?
I think we've known each other for probably 25 years now. So
जब से ये लोग 3 साल के थे, I think.
Yeah, exactly.
Nursery, KG.
Exactly.
Today I'm going to make something specially for you. Don't worry, it's for you also. So I'm making this very easy rasam and a special appe. So सबसे पहले हमारे पास है ये उबले हुए टमाटर जिसका छिलका निकला हुआ है. And then we're going to puree all of it. We'll just roughly chop it.
Great.
मलाइका जो है ना कनाडा में रहती है. पहले पढ़ाई इंडिया में की थी, फिर दार इस सलाम गई, फिर कनाडा गई, अब वहीं पे नौकरी कर रही है.
So I think I remember the fond memories of me coming to India. Every year I would eagerly wait to come see you and Rachita, and you know the first stopover when I would come to Bombay is your lovely home. You know, you would welcome us with open arms, and my sleepovers are the most memorable part
of the Bombay holiday.
Of my Bombay holiday. Feel so lucky, you know, to have us all be part of the family.
Absolutely. Family food tale इसलिए तो बोलते हैं इसको.
Exactly. And I think one of my fondest memories with you has been when you made, or every year it's a tradition now, you make, you know, the best mango milkshake. So that's something I look forward to.
Yes.
You know, I take a 20-hour flight just to come have your mango milkshake.
I'll give you today also. और अगर आपने ये रेसिपी देखी नहीं है तो हमारे YouTube चैनल पे जाइए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और देखिए संजीव कपूर खजाना. वहाँ पे मैंने मैंगो मिल्कशेक भी दिखाया आपको. Once the tomatoes are boiled, we'll cool it down. So then you know it's easier to blend it. I will strain it and pour it so that just in case there's any, you know, of the seeds left, I don't want it to come in your mouth.
Sure.
You want to do this?
Yeah.
See? You can see that you don't want it like this. You want it nice and smooth. तो ये जो दाल का पानी है, इसमें डाल देते हैं. जब तक हम ये रसम बॉईल होने देते हैं, हम आपको अप्पे की रेसिपी भी दिखा देंगे.
Perfect.
Yes, see? Nice.
Very nice.
The still tadka has to come in, which will add all the flavor. But so till the time that you know, we'll start making the appe.
Okay.
So here I have the ready-made batter. You can use the idli or dosa batter. Do you get it there?
Yes, we do.
So I've got some chopped carrots, different kinds. The red one and the orange one. I think you get the orange ones.
Yes,
there, no?
we do.
So you can use that also. Then some French beans.
Okay.
Crushed sweet corn.
Yeah. I love the color. That's
looking so good, na?
Yeah.
You have to add some salt. And I've got some grated cheese. Do you like cheese?
I love cheese.
Okay, so then we'll add some cheese. And then, do you like green chilies?
I don't have a spice affinity.
Okay, so then we'll not. हम यहाँ पे मिर्ची नहीं डाल रहे, but आप जरूर डालिए क्योंकि मुझे पसंद है. और थोड़ा धनिया. You like?
हाँ जी.
See, it's looking great now. So we'll switch on the gas and उसको गरम करने के लिए रख देते हैं. We can add a little oil.
Okay.
So now we need to put the batter in. You want to try it?
Sure. Cooking is so therapeutic in some way, right? It's just an art form.
I try and keep my recipes simple. So which is your favorite one? If you have cooked or eaten rather.
Yeah. I think my favorite was your Family Food Tales episode on oats upma.
Okay.
So, you know, that seemed pretty fairly easy to make, but so innovative in some ways as well, and very healthy.
आपने नहीं देखा तो जाके देखिए संजीव कपूर खजाना ओट्स उपमा ऑन फैमिली फूड टेल्स. तो अभी हम इसको कवर करके रख लेते हैं so that it cooks nicely, and then we'll also flip it. तड़के के लिए पैन. और एक टिप दे देती हूँ आपको.
Okay.
When you pour the batter ना, let it be till here because you know
it'll overflow.
Yeah, overflow.
Okay.
हल्का सा कम भरिए ताकि वो ऊपर नहीं आए. जब तक ये पक रहा है हम इसका रसम का तड़का लगा लेते हैं. I'm sure then you're going to make this recipe at home.
Yes.
So some oil. तेल को गरम होने दे. I think तड़का लगाने के पहले एक बार ये चेक कर लेते हैं. See? Now you need to flip it like this.
Great.
अब देखिए ये छोटा वाला है तो ये ऐसे कैसे मस्त अच्छे से फ्लिप हो जाता है. अभी हमको ढक्कन नहीं लगाना है इस पे. ठीक है तो ढक्कन.
Why do we not put the ढक्कन now?
Because it's already cooked ना.
I see. Okay.
So isn't this simple and looking nice, right? Now we'll have to come to the rasam का तड़का.
Okay.
Right. So otherwise it'll be incomplete. So now we're going to add the rye, the mustard seeds. Once it starts to splutter, hing डालना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Oh, you have. So it really aids digestion.
Great.
Then of course the curry leaves.
There we go.
The rasam powder. But we can add some. We can add the chopped garlic. Lots of it. Do you like garlic?
I love garlic.
Okay.
So there's special rasam powder that we can get.
Yeah, you can get. And if you don't get it there, take some from here when you're going.
Okay. Can we use sambar powder?
So if you have sambar powder, then you can use it, but then you add some more pepper powder to it.
I see.
Pepper is more prominent in the rasam.
Got it.
I have some, whole red chilies, so I'll just put one,
Sure.
not many in the tempering.
Sure.
So that, but आपको तीखा अच्छा लगता है तो आप एक दो whole red chilies भी डाल सकते हैं. And now we'll add it to the rasam.
Oh wow.
I think we didn't add salt, ना? Do you think we added? आप पहले अभी थोड़ा सा आप टेस्ट कर लो.
Sure.
थोड़ा सा गरम होगा.
Okay.
You want more salt to it or spice?
Wow.
So now that you've tasted the rasam, but you have to taste it with the appe, right?
Yes.
उसके साथ डुबो के खाएं तो उसका मजा ही दुगना हो जाता है.
Cheers.
Cheers. It's hot, huh? Be careful.
It's fantastic. Wow. It feels like an elevated spicy tomato soup.
Yeah. रसम भी तैयार है, अप्पे भी तैयार है, तो किसका इंतजार है? चलिए, जाइए, बनाइए, खाइए, खिलाइए. Thank you so much for
Thanks
coming.
for having me.
And keep watching Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana and don't forget to
Like, share, and subscribe.